Hello friends, I'm Anton Kharitonov, a trader with years of experience and your personal guide to the Forex market. Have you ever wondered why choosing the right broker is the most crucial decision for a trader? A broker is your gateway to the market, your tools, and even your trading fees. That's why it's essential to make the right choice. Today we'll do a detailed comparison of two popular brokers, FxPro and Exness. We'll analyze their trading conditions, security levels, and determine which one is the best fit for you. I'll leave links to real reviews of FxPro and Exness in the description below. Let's dive in. FxPro, operating since 2006, available in 170 countries, offering over 2,100 instruments and regulated by FCA, SISEC, FSCA, and SCB. Exness, operating since 2008, available in over 130 countries, regulated by FCA, SISEC, FSA, CBCS, FSC, FSCA, CMA, and more. A market giant with 1 million active traders and a monthly turnover of $4 trillion. Offers CFDs on stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and currency pairs. As we can see, both brokers are major players with solid experience and reliable regulation. So which one should you choose? Let's analyze their trading conditions. FxPro requires a minimum deposit of $100, while Exness lets you start with just $1. This makes it much easier to begin trading with Exness, especially for beginners. Now, let's talk about leverage. FxPro offers up to 1 to 500. Whereas Exness goes up to 1 to 2,000. What does this mean? The higher the leverage, the greater the earning potential, but the risks also skyrocket. So, use it wisely. Spreads are an important factor for any trader. This is the difference between the buy and sell price of an asset. The lower the spread, the better for trading. Both brokers offer spreads starting from 0.0 pips, which is great for active traders. And finally, account types. FxPro provides standard accounts, while Exness offers more variety, including a cent account. This is extremely useful for beginners since they can practice on real markets with minimal investments. Choosing a trading platform is a matter of personal preference and convenience. Every trader has their own habits, so it's important to pick a broker that suits your needs. For example, if you prefer CTrader, then FxPro is your choice, as Exness does not support it. Always check which platforms a broker provides before signing up to avoid disruptions in your trading routine. FxPro stands out for its strong regulation, vast selection of over 2,100 trading instruments, and access to CTrader, which many traders appreciate. However, it lacks a cent account, and the $100 minimum deposit may be a barrier for beginners. Exness, on the other hand, is incredibly accessible. You can start with just $1, which is 100 times lower than FxPro's requirement. Additionally, it offers leverage up to 1 to 2,000 and a cent account, perfect for testing strategies with minimal risks. Another great advantage, no deposit or withdrawal fees. However, while customer support is available 24/7, it doesn't cover all languages. Be sure to check if support is available in your preferred language before signing up. So, friends, we've done a detailed breakdown of FxPro and Exness. Can we say that one is definitively better than the other? Not really. It all depends on your goals, strategy, and experience. If you value a wide range of trading instruments, strong regulation, and access to CTrader, then FxPro might be your best bet. But if you're a beginner looking for an easy entry into trading with a low deposit requirement and a cent account for strategy testing, then Exness looks like a more attractive option. What do you think? Share your experience in the comments. If you've worked with either of these brokers, your feedback will help other traders make an informed decision. Want to compare even more brokers? Check out our full ranking of top brokers in the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the latest reviews. This has been Anton Kharitonov, your best friend in the Forex market. Thank you for watching and see you next time.